पुण्यों की जोन माता सूरज का ताप है, तो पुण्यों की जोन है गए माता गौरी अम्बा है गए नारायणी मेरी माता।
Not only because as long as farmers are there, they'll grow food, and that 80% food that, even today we are eating comes from small farms. The second is, land itself has become the biggest asset. This whole area used to be farmland. Now we are the only green patch left. It's all construction. Now there's nothing natural about this urbanization, urbanization is a policy outcome. When your policy says finish of agriculture, then urbanization becomes the only way. I was just seeing, we work a lot in Ladakh, and all the pastoralists who work in the high altitude are leaving. Because on the one hand, you've got the Chinese invasion, and then you've got all the military from India, and they are not able to survive. So they're moving into Leh. So cities grow with dispossession. And more importantly than that, when GATT started, I remember, our policymakers, there's always policymakers in every country who totally support the globalization agenda. And I remember, we were told, India has too many farmers, and these should be removed. And we should become like America, with 2%. So, I was working with the former Prime Minister, VP Singh, former ambassador to GATT, Shuklaji, and we sat and did a calculation. We did a calculation about, okay, how many farmers are there actually here? And when they say remove them from the land, how much is the employment generation in the cities to substitute the livelihood they've lost? And if at the rate of the current employment generation, the number of people who are displaced to come to 2%, how long will it take for them to get a livelihood? You know how much? 350 years.
हरियाली खेतों में छाई हरियाली, घर घर में आई दिवाली, घर घर में आई दिवाली। माँ भर लाई दूध की थाली, अब पिया दूध हमें रहे मगन, मिल जाएगा धन रतन, मिल जाएगा धन रतन। हम पानी रोकने का करे यतन, मिल जाएगा धन रतन। धरती उगलेगी जब सोना, धरती उगलेगी जब सोना, घर का भर दे कोना कोना, घर का भर दे कोना कोना। मेरी बहना पहनेगी गहना, मेरी बहना पहनेगी गहना। वो बन जाए सुंदर भवन, मिल जाएगा धन रतन, मिल जाएगा धन धन रतन। हम पानी रोकने का करे यतन, मिल जाएगा धन रतन। जय हिंद।
बहुत बढ़िया।
It bless people who come into our orbit also. Tejasvi, Tejas, we have in Hindi as well, no? Tejas. So this shine, let it shine through us. Tejasvina, what has been studied, let it not go, go into one ear and out the other. Let it go in, let it soak in. Whatever has been studied, let me have the retention capacity to keep it with me.
গুরুপাদের কান্ডারি গুরু নামে ভাষাও তোরি
Relaxed state.
माँ भी बेचारी पीली होकर अकेला छोड़ गई हामिद को मेरे गोद में। अमीना, अब तो तुम ही उसकी माँ हो और तुम ही उसकी बाप।